Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Valorant. Right in the middle of the game, you got an error code when 185 and the game is crashed, or you are getting a penalty. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Right click on the taskbar and choose the option Task Manager. Now from the left pane, click on the Details tab and in the search box type in Roid. Right click on the Roid client and choose the option End Task. Make sure you close each and every process related to Roid right over here. After closing, close the task manager. Now click on Start menu, type CMD and choose the option Run as Administrator. Type here a command SC delete VGC and hit the enter key. Second one is SC delete VGK and again hit the enter key. Now once both the commands are completed, make sure to restart your PC because this is the mandatory step. After restarting, open up C drive, right over here, find program files and press the R key to find a folder with the name Roid Vanguard. Right click and choose the option delete. You can see I have not restarted my PC, that's why it is giving me the error. So make sure you must restart your PC and then delete this particular folder. Once this folder is deleted, again you need to launch the Roid client right into a system. Now log in using your user ID and password. Now once you are logged in, select your game and you will find the option of update over here. Click on the option update and wait for it to finish updating the game right into your system. It will take a while, so wait for a few minutes. Once the Valorant is fully updated, you need to right click on Start menu, choose the option Run, type here services.msc and then hit the enter key. Now press the V key to find a VGC service. Double click to open it. If it is showing as stop, click on the Start option to start the service at once, and in startup type, make it automatic. Then hit apply and OK button. That's all you have to do. Now go ahead, relaunch your Valorant and the issue of 185 will be completely fixed out by now. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.